Alright, in this video, a real quick video here just to announce the winners of the 20,000 subscribers giveaway. Let me go ahead and tell you how you can claim your prizes if you are a winner. If you are a winner, head over to my website and then right down here in the bottom left hand corner, go ahead and submit a message right there. In that message, I'll need your name, an email address, and if you live in the continental US, I need a phone number so I can get and reach out to you. If you don't live in the continental US, we can talk through email or maybe even the chat feature here on my website. That way I can make sure you get your prizes. So with all that said, we had 218 entries, and that is divided up amongst the math folks, Android folks, and the motion graphics folks. I took those names and exported them to a spreadsheet. I've extracted just the first name and the last initial of each entry, and we're going to start with the Android folks first. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all these over. And here's how this is going to work. The first two names that are at the top of the list will be the two winners. So I'm going to go ahead and randomize this right now. And the first two names up here at the top are Chris F. and Dominique R. Congratulations, you are the winners of the Google Play Pass and the Visor Pro. So again, head over to my website like I mentioned at the beginning and reach out to me with your contact information. Now let's head on to the math folks. There will be 5 winners of this, and the 5 winners will receive a copy of my Tease Math Workbook as well as the Smart Edition Study Guide. There's quite a few math entries here. I'm going to take all of those names, copy them over. I'm going to generate a new list, paste those in, and the first 5 names that are at the top of this list will be the winners of the Tease Math Workbook and the Smart Edition Study Guide. So let's go ahead and do that now. And the 5 winners are right up here at the top. Congratulations, if you are one of these 5 people here, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, please reach out to me through my website with your contact information so that you can claim your prizes. And last but not least, the smallest group too is the motion graphics folks. I think there was a little over 30 entries for the motion graphics. So we're going to take all those names, I'm going to copy them, go over to random.org, get a new list, pasting all those names in there. Now there's 2 separate prizes for this. The first name that pops up will get the $100 store credit for Motion VFX, a license for Nodes 3, and a pack of your choice from the CraftMath store. The second name that pops up, you'll get the FX Factory Pro license as well as a choice of any pack from the CraftMath store. So let's go ahead and randomize this. First name, Mark P. Congratulations, you are the winner of the $100 store credit for Motion VFX, a license for Nodes 3, as well as a pack of your choice from the CraftMath store. And winner number 2, congratulations, you have won the FX Factory Pro license, as well as a pack of your choice from the CraftMath store. Congratulations to you all. And again, reach out to me through my website with your contact information. And again, you can do that right here through that form over at www.becraftmath.com. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope that I can do another giveaway, maybe even bigger next time. Let's say when we hit 30,000, see if I can have some other good giveaways for you all. And again, congratulations to those of you who won. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.